Running a business with multiple staff members can be tricky. Have you ever wished you could easily control exactly what each of your employees can do on your Clover POS system? You might have a cashier who only needs to ring up sales, a manager who needs to handle refunds and discounts, and an owner who needs full access to everything. Granting the right access and restricting the wrong kind is crucial for security, efficiency, and accurate reporting. This isn't about micromanaging. It's about creating an organized, secure system. That's why today, we're diving into the simple steps for setting up user permissions and roles for your staff on Clover. First, you'll want to log in to your Clover web dashboard. This is where all the back-end magic happens. Once you're in, navigate over to the Employees section on the left-hand menu. Clover comes with 3 standard roles: admin, manager, and employee. An admin has virtually all permissions, a manager has most day-to-day access, and an employee has the most restricted access, usually just enough to process payments. For most businesses, these default roles are a great start. If you're just getting set up, you can simply click on an existing employee's profile or add a new one, and assign them one of these default roles using the role drop-down menu. But what if you need more control? Maybe you want your shift leader to process returns but not view sales reports. This is where creating custom roles or adjusting permissions comes in. To edit permissions for a specific role, whether it's a default one or a custom one you create, stay in the Employees section and look for the Permissions tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your Clover apps and features. Next to each one, you'll see which roles have access. Click the edit icon next to any feature you want to change. For example, if you want your standard employee to be able to apply discounts but not create new ones, you can drill down into the specific discount permissions and adjust the checkbox for the employee role. The changes you make here are instant and affect every staff member assigned to that role across all your Clover devices. And finally, if you need a specific new role, say a busser or stocker that only needs to clock in and out, go to the Roles tab and select Add New Role. Name it, choose a default role as a template, and then fine-tune its permissions under the Permissions tab. Properly setting up roles and permissions is a cornerstone of managing a successful, secure business on Clover. It cuts down on errors, keeps your data safe, and ensures your staff can focus on the tasks they need to do, and nothing they don't. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.